Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. Today's lesson is on preposition of place. Preposition of place tells you where something or someone is located. Let's begin. Behind, behind. In front of, in front of. Niko is behind the ball. Leena is in front of the ball. Under, under. On, on. Niko is under the ball. Leena is on the ball. Beside, beside. Next to, next to. Niko is beside the ball. Leena is next to the ball. Near, near. Far from, far from. Niko is near the ball. Leena is far from the ball. In, in. Niko and Leena are in the box. In between, in between. Above, above. Niko is in between the balls. Leena is above the ball. You guys are doing great. Let's practice one more time. Above, under, behind. In front of, in between, next to, beside. That will be all for today. You did wonderful. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know what preposition of place is. I am able to describe where someone or something is located in simple sentences.